Hey baddies, it's your girl Sham and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you could be a baddie too. So for today's video, as you can tell from the title, it's going to be a shoe try-on haul. The shoes in this video are either from DSW or Aldo. I only buy shoes out of a handful of places, so DSW, Aldo, Shoe Carnival. Y'all, if you don't shop at Shoe Carnival, I'm gonna suggest you go check it out because they be having some good deals up in there, okay? And then I also shop at like Macy's and JCPenney's for shoes as well. I'm not really like a gym shoe type of person, so I don't really like go in a Champs or anything like that. And I just, for some reason, like I know Forever 21 sells shoes and like Charlotte Russe. I don't trust those shoes, like the shoes that like don't have any type of brand associated with them at all. And like I'm not necessarily into specific brands, but I need to know who made these shoes. Like where are they coming from? What type of quality are they? And so, like I said, I only buy my shoes out of a handful of places. I just trust the quality of those shoes a little bit better than some of the other places. But if you buy shoes out of Forever 21 and they work for you, cool, good for you. But like that just, for me, has just like never really been my jam. But because I did buy these from DSW and Aldo, in the description, I'm going to go ahead and leave the direct links to their website so you guys can go and see if they have it in your size. Good luck, sis. Also, the other thing I wanted to mention really quick is that I invested in a camera. Okay, I'm using it now. So if you noticed, a little increase in my quality, that's the camera. But the microphone is actually like inside the camera. And I'm not too sure like what the audio is going to sound like. So comment down below if you like the audio or if you don't like it. I do have like a couple of mics that I can record the audio separate and then like line it up. But that's a little bit more work and I ain't really trying to do that. So let me know what you guys think of the audio, if you like it or not. And I'll go from there and I'll try and figure something else out if you guys don't like it. But other than that, let's go ahead and get straight into the video.
You got me twisted. You got me twisted. Looking at me funny, you must be reading my mind. We must be on the same page. You must be feeling my shine. Damn, can you keep a secret? Cause I got something for you. Something I need you to do. Just promise me you'll come through. Can you scratch my itch? Can you find my spot? Can I close my eyes? Pretend you're someone that you're not. Can you move it slow? And can you speed it up? Can you really hit it if I say I like it rough? Do you have the stamina to do just what I want? Or should I cut my losses right now, right now? Are you the person for it? Or tell me, should I forfeit? Let me know before it goes down, goes down. I don't want your paper and I don't want to date ya. You ain't gotta say much, just come do me a, come do me a. I don't want to date ya and I don't want your paper. You ain't gotta say much, just come do me a, come do me a favor, just a little favor. You ain't gotta say much, just come do me a, come do me a favor, just a little favor. You ain't gotta say much, just come do me a, come do me a. Now that it's over, don't be making no noise, don't be posting no pics, and don't be telling your boys. Just keep it to yourself, and I may just call you back. Return the favor for you, now tell me how would you like that? I might just scratch your itch and let you hit my spot, but when I close my eyes, pretend you're someone that you're not. Show you I can move it slow and I can speed it up and really get it going if you say you like it rough.
Okay, so that is the end of my try-on haul. Y'all, I struggled buying all of these shoes. When I tell you, I ordered so many shoes. I ordered a ton of shoes and ended up returning a lot of them because I was having like almost just like this episode because I had ordered all of these shoes in a size 10 and they were all way too big. And so I'm like tripping because I'm like, yo, I've been a 10 my whole life since like 7th or 8th grade, and why are like none of these shoes fitting? So then I go look in my closet. Majority of my heels are in a size 10, but then like my gym shoes, my Tims, my Uggs, and just like some of my sandals and stuff, those are either a 9 or 9.5. So then I really like started losing my mind. I'm like, yo, have I been a 9.5 this whole time and like forgot or like didn't know or like what's going on? So I bought one of those like foot measurers from Amazon because right now, coronavirus and everything, you can't really like go get your foot measured at a store anymore. So I ordered one of them foot measurers off Amazon, and my cousin, she lives, kind of close to me. She wears a size 10 too. So I had her measure her foot, and then I got on there and measured my foot. How about our feet measured at the like same little dash line that was like, it wasn't exactly at a 10. I think it was like the dash before it, but pretty much like you would go up to a 10. So our foot was literally at like the exact same line. And I asked her, I'm like, yo, like, are your gym shoes like a 9 or 9.5? She's like, no, all of my stuff is in a 10. Like her gym shoes, her whatever type of shoes she buys, they're all in a 10. And I'm like, okay, our feet are the same size, so how come my shoes are like a 9 and a 9.5, but you telling me that you could wear your shoes in a 10? And when I ordered the 10s, they were all way too big. Like literally, I'm honestly still kind of stressed out about it because like it's not making sense. I don't understand. Like literally my foot measures at a 10, but then when I order a size 10, it's way too big. And like some of the shoes, I exchanged them for a 9.5, and then the 9.5 was way too big. And I'm like, yo, like, I don't know. I'm still stressed out about it, obviously, but I just wanted to let y'all know I had a hard time trying to pick out some shoes. So these are the shoes that I kept. Comment down below. Let me know which pair of shoes that you like the best. Which ones, are your favorite, or which ones do you not like. If you don't like any of the shoes that I kept, let me know as well. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. I don't know why you watched the whole video if you're not subscribed, but go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Follow me on social media at Sham the Baddest, as well as click that link in the description so that you guys can hear my music. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.